The channel. I'm excited to have you back join today because I'm gonna dive into one of our experience with the momentum stock, which was ACON from 3rd March, the first trading day of March. So as my memory serves me right, so it was one of the leading gappers for the day. And if you see here, 6:30 it went up, then 7 a.m. it popped again, right? But I was not able to capture any of the waves because if you know me, I don't trade before 7 a.m. So I was thinking because it had a good consolidation, it was wrapping around VWAP, so it might give a high pop up during the open market, right? The first 10 minutes, that was the hope. Right at the open market, it did not make any good move. Unlike it went down. So it had a roller coaster ride. It went really down, and I think I lost my interest in this AC oven at this point because there were other potential gainers which I traded, right? But at this moment, around I'll say 12:30, when all the reversals kind of happened, so this was making a move, right? So at this point it was gaining more than 5% in 2 minutes, so the momentum was high and it hit my scanners. So when it did, it was again too late, but I was watching it because it's gonna make a move now, either up or down. When it touched the 200 MA on my chart, so I was interested into it, so I bought a position in, right? And it break the VWAP, it went high, and at this moment I think I sold my 50% of the position. But what next? Right, it is gaining momentum, right? So if you see the green bars here, these are all the volumes. So should I be scared of one red? No, right? Absolutely not. That's a quiz for you. So if you see this chart, should you buy or should you sell? So I saw this red turning, then there was one more green and a red. So I definitely sized down, but I saw an opportunity. So first thing was I was able to recognize that this is making a cup and handle pattern. And if you know, this is a defining movement where you, if you recognize that there is a cup and handle pattern, it's a classic sign of potential upward momentum. This pattern is a powerful indicator, right? So I was waiting for the right movement when I saw this red bar morphed into the green bar. So I seized the opportunity and bought back again. If you know, we have a community on Discord where we like-minded traders support each other in the journey, and I received multiple messages saying that they are taking the profit and not trading it, and I should also not do it, right? However, I felt confident that I could either make a 4% loss or chase 20% gain. What happened next was truly remarkable. The stock surged from $7 to $8.5, making a 21% ish profit, and it was thrilling. So everyone jumped, right? And it was a very astonishing moment for us, right? But I'll tell you the science behind it, right? So my anticipated move was the stock was right above the VWAP, and the red candle morphed into the green candle from the EMA, which I call kiss of EMA, and it shot up, right? Just to explain better, so let's see what is cup and handle pattern. Let's delve deeper into it. So from this picture, so if I mark this bigger curve, it's leading into a cup, right? Then this smaller curve is leading to a handle, right? So you can visualize it. Now what I'm trying to make is, if I denote depth of the cup as D, so I'm expecting a height or a breakout from the handle which will be H, and that D might be similar to H. So if you had a depth of 20%, you are looking to make a spike of 20% from the handle. So this was important. So I hope you understand how do you identify cup and handle formation, which is essential for the traders. Keep practicing and refining your skills, and I promise you, we will build a financial future together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a video thumbs up, and thank you for being part of this journey. All the best.